Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to buy healing potions. In the beginning, take a look at your inventory, and right here we've got the recovery crystals. Recovery crystals comes in few different types: quality, rare, etc. We can buy them in Sunrise merchant shops.
Oh, do you need something?
Also, we've got something like this, which is Ward 3 leaf, that also is used for healing. Recovery crystals have to be used manually, but Ward 3 leaf are used automatically. Both of them you can buy
Do you need something?
in Sunrise Merchant. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.